Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel CodeCamp, and today I'm going to show you how to install Jupyter Notebook to run Python programs. So to install Jupyter Notebook to run Python code, you have to first install Anaconda. Now what is Anaconda? It conveniently installs Python, and Jupyter Notebook is one of the part of Anaconda, and you can also use other commonly used packages for programming through Anaconda. So let's see how to download Anaconda. You have to follow these steps. Search for Anaconda. So as you can see, there are a whole lot of applications which you can download from Anaconda. So for that, first you need to install Anaconda on your system. So see this option, install Anaconda. But before that, accept this. Now you have to see that which Windows version you are using. Is it 64-bit or 32-bit? So accordingly you have to download it. So I am downloading the 64-bit because my Windows runs on 64-bit version. So once the software will be downloaded, it will be visible like this. Click on this and open it. So it will show you this kind of installer. This kind of dialog box will come and you have to click on next. After that, you have to agree to their license agreement, which every software asks you before installing. So just click on I agree, and you are installing for your use only, so just select just me, and all users means you are using it for a commercial purpose or maybe a team of yours, so then you have to use this option. But if you use this option, then other things probably might change, because for as you can see the message here, if you want to use it commercially, you have to purchase it. So since I'm using it for my purpose only, just individual use, so I'm selecting the first option and click on next. So by default all the files goes in C drive, and so space required is 2.7 GB. So you have to make sure that you have this much space in your system before installing Anaconda software. So if you want to keep these options checked, like add Anaconda, so just keep it checked and then click on install. It will take some time to install. So once the installation will complete, you will see this kind of box and you have to again click on next and then finish. So to start Jupyter Notebook, just go to your programs section. And you will find Jupyter Notebook. It is starting for the first time, so it is doing some settings. You will find that your browser will start automatically, and you will see this kind of a screen wherein you will the browser will automatically take you to the local host, and you will find this kind of address over there. So what you need to do now is click on new. Once you click on new, you have to click on Python 3. You will see basically two rows. One is the in row and other one is the out row. So about all these things I'll explain in my next video, which is printing something on the screen with Python, or maybe printing your first statement with Python. So that's all for today. You can check the link for Anaconda site in my description section. I have put a link over there, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.